So, for our fun stop this morning, we play a smile taboo. The aim of the game is to give clues to the word shown on the screen without mentioning the word at all that may be associated. It's the first time ever in my life I am playing this game,
Shame on you, girl.
Boy, I'm gonna know.
It's okay.
All right, anyways.
All right.
Here we go, Sima. How it work?
You're going to see the word.
Behind you, and
Yeah,
then I'm gonna
I
say.
can't, yeah.
Okay, cool. All right, graphics get
And
this
then-
right.
So she acting out the word?
I'm saying other words
Oh.
without saying the word.
Okay.
Right? That's like, okay? There we go. All right, here we go. So what's the word? Is it the one on the screen right now? Because one, okay. All right, so the first word is, okay. 5,
6,
no.
7, 8.
What you were mentioning it this morning that this is a priority for us first. Is the first, you said that this
Health.
is, yes,
Yes.
We actually have a program here on TVJ that speaks to it.
10 minutes to your health.
There we go. Hey, I know. I didn't say 10. I didn't say 10.
No, she didn't.
I said I have there's a
She
show
didn't
here
say
that
10.
speaks to it. I didn't say.
She never said 10. She never said 10.
Clive, you're not listening. Exactly.
What again now? Debbie, go on
All right.
again, or is my turn now?
Is my turn? Oh, switch
Alternate.
places? Okay, all right, cool. All
Okay.
right.
I
wasn't so bad,
I
Simone.
prefer
That
the one
wasn't
when
too
you
bad.
act out. No, that wasn't bad at all.
Okay, all right, ready.
All right, ready, guys. Then you never tell us that this was, okay. This segment when we talk to people into foreign.
Greetings across the world?
No,
Oh,
when
okay.
Jamaicans leave here, we say they're a member of the
Diaspora.
Right.
Okay.
And then when you go to the doctor to get your physical, there are these two words.
Examination.
Valiant have a song named Bonks.
Check.
Okay.
Okay,
When
diaspora check in.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, cool. Awesome.